Building with Papa. Okay, I'm going to install this grab bar. This, what I'm going to show you, will work on just about any grab bar. But anyway, what you first need to do is get your height. ADA heights off the ground are between 33 to 36 inches on a horizontal bar and about 48 inches on a vertical bar. These measurements you're looking at now, I had taken from the ceiling and from the stud wall. I had already given myself a center mark for the height, but this way I could take pictures and I will see and be able to measure exactly where everything needs to go. All right, I know my grab bar or my grout joint is level, so I started off on this one, so this particular grab bar has Allen screws that you would loosen up to take the plate off. I installed the first one and then I used it as a template to go to the other one, made my pencil marks and drilled the holes. Now that I have both of the items on the wall, I'm testing it before I tighten it up all the way. And this way I'll get the screws tightened first and then the Allen screws. All right, there it is. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.